Hi, this is Kevin from Let Me Take You, and in today's video, we're going to be going over a nice little way to kind of get yourself out of a jam if you ever disabled the NIC on your Azure VM. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into the VM here and disable our NIC. So I'm going to connect to it via RDP. I have a outside IP address assigned to it. Let's remote desktop to that. VM. I think it's admin user. So once I'm inside the VM, you might find yourself troubleshooting something specific or working on the IP configuration for this NIC, and then you might accidentally disable it. So once we get logged in here, if you've already done this part, you can skip past this part to the solution, probably closer to the end here. And let this load up. Alright, so we got the VM loaded up. I'm going to go into the Network and Sharing Center, change adapter options, and my Ethernet name is just called Ethernet, but some people might have Ethernet 2, 3, 4, whatever. So I'm going to go disable. Now, as you can see, I'm already an administrator, so there's no prompt if this wants to be disabled. I'm like, hosed at this point. So now what you would have to do is go into your portal, and you won't even be able to use like any services like Bastion, SSH, or unless you have like some other adapter associated with it. You won't be able to really do much from there. So without having to detach the NIC, attach a new one of some sort, you can come down to where it says Serial Console. And we're going to go ahead and click here, enable. Once we get that enabled there, we'll come back and check on that. Alright, so we got that enabled. We just went back and hit refresh on the previous screen there. So now we're going to go ahead and get this session started here. So when you're inside here, you got to go ahead and you got to actually get the command session started. So to get to our command prompt, we need to type in CMD. It's a little slow at times. And so we got a channel created. So now we're going to access that channel. So channel SI and then channel 1. And then we're going to enter, and then we're going to put our login information in. No domain. And if you have a domain, you can put that in if you have like cache credentials of some sort, cached in there. So now we're actually in so I can do DIR, all the different things that you can normally do on that particular host. So now we're going to go back and actually find out what's going on. So we can do a net sh interface show interface. As we can see, it's disabled, disconnected. So now we're going to do net sh interface set interface name, and our interface name is Ethernet. And then we just want to do admin equals enable. Now we should be able to do again net sh interface show interface. And now we're enabled connected, and we're back into our VM. So that's it. Just a nice easy way to kind of get yourself out of a jam. You do have to have the boot diagnostics turned on, which will create a storage account for you. But again, if you have any questions, drop me a comment down below. And again, thanks for tuning in. Hit the like, subscribe button. Hope to see you next time.